How's it going, everybody? Finally, it is June 11th. I'm recording this from vacation, and it's been a little hard actually organizing everything to put out some of these videos. But I figured, you know what, even if I do it every other or every third day, I think you guys would be happy just to give you kind of a status report on the sales and everything that's going on with merch. Uh, let's start with just a general update. Sales, I would say, in June have kind of continued the momentum that I've had in May, but it's definitely not as strong. And I'll show you those numbers in a second. As you can see here, I'm doing about 7 to 8, maybe 9 sales a day on average in the US, which is actually great. And then I would say it's about 10 sales a day on average overall, which is kind of like the momentum that I've had last month, a little less, and it's definitely better than April. As you can see here, my 7 day average in the US is about 60. Like we're still, getting through the day. And this month, as you can see, I have 70 sales for $213 in royalties. My overall sales, I have 97. So we're looking, like I said, about 10 sales a day, and most of them are coming in from the US. What I've noticed so far is that my international sales have dropped. Germany, not so much. It hasn't been a significant drop, but I would say like Japan and Italy have dropped because if you look at my 7 day average, not 7 day average, first 10 days sales, so 10 day total sales last month, I was sitting at 125, and right now I'm at 97. But again, the day's not over, so I mean, if I get any sales, it's going to be a few sales, anyways. Last month I had one Amazon's Choice tag show up, and it was gone after maybe 3 or 4 days, or maybe about a week. And that actually impacted my sales in a negative way, because ever since I got that tag, my sales actually dropped. Right now, I've noticed there's been another Amazon's Choice tag that showed up, and it's actually helping. So I'm getting about 3 to 4 sales of that one particular T-shirt every day. But again, the sales are not as significant to help. It's been really hard to keep up with the uploads, just because, like I said, I'm vacationing with the family, and we're staying away in Europe for about a month, and like I'm trying to work when everybody goes to sleep, and trying to upload as many products as I can every single day. Again, I'm not putting in the hours that I did at home. Either way, like I'm not complaining. Sales are coming in. Like I'm sitting at $213 in royalties in the US for the first 10 days. So if this continues this way, if there's a drop, it's not going to be a significant drop. We're looking at about 10 to 20% in the US. And overall, I'm not sure what's going to happen, but still, this kind of stuff adds up. And it looks like if it continues this way, it's going to be another $800 to $1,000 in royalties this month, which again, that's perfect, especially for being away and putting in minimal work. So I think that's about it. I'm not sure if there's anything else I can tell you guys. Still not running any ads. There's nothing else that's actually happened. I am actually, like I said, I'm trying to put in a few hours of work every night and actually designing new product, new designs, and then if I really can't do anything like that, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to reuse some of my older designs, and I'm changing the information like titles, brand name, and some of the descriptions. So I'm still, being very active, but like I said, definitely not putting in the hours that I'm used to when I'm at home. So anyways, I'll keep you guys updated and posted, as often as I can. But for now, thank you guys. I'll see you soon. I'm going back home in July, but I'll keep you posted as often as I can. Okay, I'll wrap it up here. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys soon.